Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melvyn. It's been a while since I uploaded my new video, and that is because I'm currently busy preparing myself to enter university soon. Without further ado, let's check it out. I think the campus for every matrix in Malaysia is quite large, especially for KMNS, my campus, and also KMM. If you look closely, you will notice that KMM and KMNS actually have similar design. The number of students in every matrix is around 2,000 to 2,500, depends on your states. However, the number of women in all matrix is always more than men. Next, let us look at the overview of dormitory in matriculation. Normally, the building will sort according to cluster. For example, cluster A, cluster B, and cluster C. From my own experience, for example, in KMNS, cluster A and C is for women and cluster B is for men. I think it is quite convenient because for every cluster, there will be one cafe that you can buy food from there. For every building, there will be one room of fellow. The fellow is usually your college lecturers or any officer. If you face any problem in your dormitory, you can always refer to the fellow nearest to you. Normal conditions that you can always refer to fellow is you lost your keys, your fans doesn't rotate anymore, and even your light doesn't work. Rest assured, because fellow, they are usually dedicated to help you to fix your problems. However, some fellows is not available during weekends, so you need to wait until weekdays to deal with them. What if I sick during weekends? You can contact your fellow and they will immediately bring you to the nearby hospital. Let's move on to the room. Normally, the room is arranged randomly by HEP. The number of people in one room is about 3 to 4 people, and if you are lucky enough, you can get a room with only 2 persons. What I like with the dormitory system in matriculation is that they will place different races people in the same room. You can't choose or you can't change your roommate. Through this golden opportunity, we can have in-depth conversation as well as better understanding of different culture from different races. The rules and regulations in the dormitory is not as strict as what you had expected. Number 1, you can wear anything you like in the room. Number 2, you can switch off the lights anytime you want. Number 3, spot check is not that often. This is a room plan that I drew based on my memory toward matrix. The size of one room is something like the size of one class. Everyone in the room will pick one corner to live. What is the facilities available in every corner in the room? You will get a closet, a table, a chair, a bed, a pillow, and only one plug. I recommend everyone to bring your own pillow, bed sheet due to hygiene purpose, as well as bolster if you need. You should consider to bring some mirror, hanger if you are someone who don't like to fold clothes like me, table lamps if you like to study overnight, as well as extension. Extension is very essential, especially now during online class you need more gadgets. Okay, I think that's all for the details of your dormitory, and now I'd like to share my experience of my first day reaching my dormitory. I would strongly recommend everyone to bring your own old clothes as well as pail to clean your room before you stay there. Based on my own experience, the room will be very dusty on the first day, so you need to clean it entirely. Remember to bring rucksacks too to defend yourself from strange creatures that like to climb and fly everywhere. You need rucksack. Seriously. We have reached the end of this video. I hope all of you like this video. If you think it is useful, hit the like button and hit subscribe now. Living in Matrix is a very good experience. This is my first time to live independently and manage myself. You will not feel lonely because there will be a bunch of friends that is always available if you need any help. We will support each other and go through this Matrix life. Other than that, you will also learn more different culture from different races. By staying under the same roof, Malaysians can understand each other better and maintain our harmony. We should magnify what makes us the same instead of looking what is the differences. And that is our Malaysian spirits. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.